Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, viewers. Today we are going to sew an abaya. Okay, I dropped a video about this abaya the other time, was in our last 2 weeks, and I promise I'm going to sew something like this. So that is what I'm going to sew today. So I'm using a 4-yard vintage material fabric. Okay, now let's get started. I'm going to measure 3 by 3 for the neck, 3 by 3 for the neck. It's going to be a free gown, very big one. From the shoulder, I'm going to slant it 1 inch downward. I'll connect it to the shoulder. I'm cutting both the shoulder and the arm length together. I'm not separating it. Then at the arm of it, I'm going to add a kind of a cape. The arm is going to be very free. Okay. I'm inserting the measurement lines away. It's a very big gown, a massive gown for that matter. So it's very explanatory. The neck, I use 3 by 3. The length of the shoulder, everything's supposed to be 32 or 33, but what I'm having here is 28. I'm going to add 4 more inches on it at the arm. Okay, I'm using the box. I make use of 45 15 by 4. That is 60. It's going to be very big. I'm going to use belts. Okay, the box is going to be 60. Can size many people, or let me reduce it to like 14. So I'll reduce it to 14. Then I curve it like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I hope you can see what I just cut, what I just measured. What I'm going to do now is to cut it. So this is how it's going to look after the cutting. Okay, how do we get here? I folded the fabric into 2, then folded it into 2 again, so that is 4. I folded it into 4 places. I cut the neck 3 by 3 like this, then the shoulder together with the fabric like this. I slant it at the edge like this, 1 inch at the edge of the arm. Then I cut it like this. Make sure that it's big. The arm will be very big. Then like this, as if I'm cutting an A shape. Okay, then I trim it like this. So this is what I actually cut. Okay, so the front, I have to cut it again because I'm going to use another color to tape it. Okay, so this is how the front is going to be. This is it. This is the back. So this is the front. Are you with me? You see the way it has been cut. So I'm going to use this to put it at the front like this, down. Okay, then I'm going to use this to tape the arm. Tape the arm. That is what I'm going to do. So let me take it to the machine and do the sewing so that you can see it yourself. stitching the shoulder to shoulder together. I'm stitching the side now. That is how I'm going to stitch everything down. We are done with the stitching of the sides. Okay, this is how it's gonna look. So this is how it's gonna look on me. So the next thing is to insert the color on the at the front. Sorry, can you see the way it looks? So this is how it looks now. You can see the hand. So the next thing is to add the cape. That's how I'm going to add at the front. That is what I'm gonna do right away. Stay tuned. So to add the cape, this is the cape. I'm going to place it at the edge of the clothes like this. I'm going to take the second one, place it together as well like this. Then I'm going to stitch it. I'm going to stitch it down, place it on the machine, and stitch straight. So this is the when I've stitched the front, this is how it looks. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut the V, the neck, the front neck. I'm going to extend it. I'm going to make it bigger than this. That is V, because the front is going to be V. So I'm going to make it V. Then by the time I'm placing the cape of the neck, because this neck I'm going to use this material to tape the neck. So by the time I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it like this. So then I'll take it to the stone pressing machine to press it down. So it's going to be like this. Look at the neck. It's going to be like this. It's going to be like this down. Okay, it's going to be like this down. That is what I'm going to do. Let me fix the neck so that I can see. So what I'm going to do now is the neck. I want to fix the neck of the abaya. So I place it on the machine from the shoulder, that is from here. Always resist the first one so that it will not lose. So I'm done with the stitching of the neck. Initially I have the intention of using this color for the neck, so I just changed my mind, so I have to just use the material for the neck as well. So we are done with the clothing. So the next thing is just to seam the bottom, trim it, make them equal. Then I'm going to tape it. Then the cloth is ready. Very, very easy to cut. It's not difficult at all. Then if you not like, you can go as far as adding any other thing on it to make it more beautiful. It's going to have a belt anyway. So when I'm done with the stitching, I'm going to place it on the mannequin so that you can see how beautiful it looks. So guys, this is how it looks. This is the finishing part of it. I hope you find this video helpful. This is it. It's going to have a belt, and it's a very free gown. Look at the hand. The flamboyant gown. Okay, I hope the video is helpful. Give this a thumbs up. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye. Thank you.